Hi everyone, I'm gonna make a series of videos for this next project. Um, Behind me is one of my vehicles. It's a 2015 Ford Focus. Um, this is known for having some issues with the clutch, so let's work on it. Remember, I'm Rod, short for Rodriguez, and this is Rod Works Garage. Hey everyone, before we put hands on the project, let's give a little bit of the backstory on what's going on with the vehicle. Um, Several weeks ago, I took the car to a dealership so they can work on the clutch due to extended warranty. They mentioned that it was not the clutch. Uh, the forks were the issue. Uh, After diagnosis, they put like a few extra things like changing spark plugs, gasket, and a few other things. Uh, they came up with a total of almost $3,500, $4,000, and it's expensive. Um, so I got the vehicle, bring it back home, and put it in the garage. And after a week, the car started shaking real bad. Gears were doing what they were supposed to do, and a code. This time I got a code. It was a P07A5. That is a transmission friction element stuck. So did a little bit of research. That means that yes, they were the forks. I went to troubleshoot myself, something that I need to learn, and I explain you what I have done so far. So before you start working on anything in the vehicle, disconnect battery. In this case, I removed the battery because eventually I have to clear this section so I can get to those bolts on the bottom. All right. So I remove the actuator. Lower actuator goes here. Disconnect it, 4 screws. In order to troubleshoot this, I got a tool. Attach it right here. That's where the fork goes. Turn it about 8 to 10 times, and then you still have to hold it, but release the pressure. It has to turn back to the original position. On my case, it only returned back for like 3 turns. So yes, fork is bad. And we'll see how things go. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.